Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well today. Hope you're awesome. Thank you so much for coming in today for another video. Thank you for watching. And of course, I am always happy to sit here and bring you guys videos every single week. And of course, as you can tell from the title of this video, this is a dedication video. And this video is dedicated to Miss Faye Blatcher, who unfortunately passed away a few days ago. If you've watched my videos over the last few months and years, I have mentioned her name several times. I mean, if you haven't heard her name mentioned in my videos, that means you're not watching the videos to the end. But I've mentioned her name several times. She's won a few giveaways for me. I've sent her friend mail. And we were just in the process of planning a collab for January. And I remember the week prior, she had sent me a text saying, "Hi, your dad. We're putting together this amazing collab. Would you want to be part of it?" And of course I said yes, because I've collabed with her before. And we were also working on our videos, and our goal was to hopefully have our channels monetized this year. We were going back and forth with updates and information. And on occasion I will always text her. So last Friday I sent her a text, just saying a few things. And because normally she's one of those people who always responds. And then I think it was a Saturday, I had seen a video. She posted a video on Instagram saying, because she was in hospital, and saying she's under mend and thumbs up. And I was like, oh my God, she wasn't well. Poor lady was in hospital. And then a few hours later, I got a text from the group that I'm a part of, and they said Faye passed away 3 hours ago, and I was beyond devastated. It was hard to function, and even as we speak today, it's really, really hard to even fathom the fact that she's no longer here. But this video is dedicated to her, and her son had put out a couple of videos, and I did post on the videos that I'm really sorry for their loss. And it's really, really sad. She was well loved in this community of YouTube, and I'm honored to have been part of her life and to have known her. She's a super sweet lady. And I will obviously, as we speak today, I'm going to encourage all of you guys to just click on her channel and just leave a comment, because her son posted a couple of videos. Just leave a comment, a condolence comment on her video, and that would be much appreciated. So we are going to get into this video right now. It is a haul, and I know Miss Faye loves doing hauls, and again, it's dedicated to her. And we are going to start with this eyeshadow that I'm wearing right now. As you can see, this is a yellow eyeshadow. And I've worn a yellow eyeshadow before when I had done a collab with Riri on her birthday. And this eyeshadow is from Temu. And I thought I had to throw some things in from Temu, because Faye loved Temu, and I always used to love watching her Temu hauls and all of that. And so this is the eyeshadow right here. It is a creamy eyeshadow, and of course you can see on my eyes it applied very, very, very well. And I really thought that this eyeshadow was going to cake up and all of that, but it didn't do that. And this is it right here. It is a lovely, beautiful yellow, and it's not very watery, because I'm turning this upside down and it's not falling out, but it is beautiful, creamy, and it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's lovely and pigmented. And I remember I saw Gusty Chibuke. She also was watching one of her videos one time, and she was wearing this gorgeous yellow eyeshadow, and I thought, let me try this. And when I saw this in Temu, I thought, I'm just going to try. So this is it right here. I'm going to leave the name of this down in the description box for you guys. But I also picked up another one. Let me open it for you guys. And this is like a purple shade, and I'm just going to open that quickly. And we're just going to pull the top off. Let me just see if I can get that really quickly for you guys. And here we go. Oh my God, I can tell this is going to be very, very, very pretty. I can't wait to use this one. The pigmentation is awesome. And again, it would not fall out from the bottle, because it's nice and thick and creamy. Very, very, very pigmented. I am really horrible at doing swatches. I don't know if you guys can see that. I mean, look at this. This is very, very, very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. That is so cool. And again, the name of this is going to be down in the description box. And again, I picked both of them up from Temu. Let me just wipe this off of my hands. I absolutely love this yellow. I think it's so gorgeous. And I mean, although we're in the Christmas season, this can be a really beautiful color to spruce up your New Year's Eve party. And next I did pick up this beautiful tray, and I'm in the middle of organizing a space in my home, and you guys are going to see that space, or not that space, of course you're going to see the space, but you guys are going to see that video Sunday, December 15th. And this is a gorgeous, beautiful tray, and I picked this up from Walmart. This was originally $9.99, and it was on sale for $4.99, and I thought, I'm picking it up, and I know exactly what I'm going to do with this. So if you stay tuned to Sunday's video, December 15th, you guys are going to see what I'm going to be doing with this lovely tray. It's nice and heavy, and I thought $4.99. I mean, I'm thinking, are they for real? But then when I checked the price, it was obviously on sale, and it was the last one on the shelf. And I'm sorry, my hair is just kind of in the way. It's just hooking on my earrings. And again, there it is right here from Walmart. It was on sale, $4.99. And I also picked up this black eyeliner. This is from the dollar store, and of course I must throw something in from the dollar store because Miss Faye love a dollar store haul. And this is a liquid black eyeliner, so we're going to open it right now. Let me reach in and get my scissors. And I have to always remember when I'm opening up something, show you guys what I'm doing. Because you don't, if I do it like that, some of you are going to get really annoyed, like, what the hell are you doing in there? So I have to always laugh at that comment when that person says, show us what you're doing. So I'm showing you, here it is. I'm taking the product out from the plastic, which has been very difficult right now, and we're just going to toss that aside. And I do love the color of this. Again, it is a black eyeliner. One swoop, and there it is. Oh my God. From the dollar store, guys. This was like $1.50. You know what I realized, after my skin has cleared up and all of that stuff, you don't really have to spend a lot of money to look good. You don't. Yes, you can go out and buy the expensive stuff, but this is a beautiful eyeliner pencil. I had picked up a blue eyeliner pencil from Fenty Beauty. It was not worth the price at all. I vented about that on TikTok, and I went straight back to Sephora and I got my money back because I used the blue eyeliner twice and it broke, and I thought, you're paying for this? Like, come on. Anyway, it's not about that, but this is the beautiful black eyeliner pencil from the dollar store, and there we be. So next I do have this arm charm. It's like a bracelet for your arm. This is from Temu, and this is the product right here. Let me just try to get that for you guys. Here it is right here, and it has a lovely opening to the top, so don't squeeze this because you're going to ruin the product. And it is a beautiful charm for your hand. So of course, you do have, the Christmas Eve parties coming up. You have your Christmas parties coming up as well. Your New Year's Eve parties. If you want to just spruce up your outfit, you can definitely do that. And you can just put this right over your arm, just in the chunky section of your arm, and let it hang. It's going to look so pretty. If you want to put it up here, if you have a skinnier arm, you can do that. But you can just wear this right on your arm if you're wearing something like a short sleeve. It's going to look beautiful. And again, this is from Temu. Very, very cute. Very, very cutesy. Very demure. Yes. I have not used that word ever in my videos, but I absolutely love this because, again, during the holiday season, your holiday parties, it's really, really good to just add a little extra vibe to your outfit. So next I do have this little charm bracelet right here from Temu, and it has this gorgeous little charm right there. And these are just basically, fashion jewelry. And I mean, I like it. It's like a jade color. And let me just put this on for you guys so you can see. You can see how this works. And let me just turn it around. Sorry, there we go. And there we go. There we be. And it just hangs nicely on your wrist. Okay, from Temu. Again, just charm bracelet, just something to wear over the holidays as well, or you can actually give this as a gift. I really like it. I love the green with a little bit of a goldy detail around it. It's very, very pretty, very cute. And of course, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys, just in case you want to pick one of these up. So I picked up these insoles. These are from Walmart. There were 3 in a pack for $11. I've already have one in a boot that I have because in the winter season I wear lots of boots, and I always wear insoles in my boots as well. And these are the soft comfort ones, which I really like. The ones that I currently have in my boots, they have worn out because I've worn those boots like all winter, and I thought I need to upgrade. And again, there were 3 in a pack. And what I love about these is that they're so soft. It really helps to just remove that tension from your knees. If you have any issues, this is a really, really good one to buy. And if you notice, it looks like it's a little bit large, but if I bring this closer for you to see, you will notice some lines that's coming across these insoles. So depending on your shoe size, you can just cut it just in case. If you're a size 40, if you're a size 38, or whatever the case may be, you can cut this and you can trim the size, and it's going to fit perfectly in your boots. Again, this is the soft comfort, and it's odor absorbing as well. I don't have smelly feet, but again, and again, it says it increased comfort and it absorbs odor. And it's really, again, for me, it's about removing the tension from the knees when you walk in boots. Because listen, I'm 60 years old. I want to look a little bit stylish in my boots anyways. So this is a really good brand to buy. Normally I would buy the one from Clark's, but they're always sold out. So I thought these ones were the next best thing, which I've used before. And so I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. So next, I do have this cute little basket, which I did pick up from the dollar store. Again, this is dedicated to Faye. And Faye, she would do a lot of Dollar Tree and dollar store hauls. And this was only $4, which is not bad. It's a good, nice size basket. And I'm going to be redesigning a space in my home. So you guys are going to see what I'm going to put in this basket. Stay tuned for the video on December the 15th and Sunday, and you guys are going to see what I'm going to be doing with this. And I thought this is really cute, and I love the fact that it has 2 lovely handles, and I really, really like it. You can put anything in this basket. You can put this in your kitchen, under your cupboards for storage, whatever the case may be, but I have plans for this particular basket, and you guys are going to see that coming up on Sunday. Also, you're going to see what I'm going to do with this one as well on Sunday, so stay tuned. And of course, this is going to be in the description box for you guys. So I picked up more of these magnesium flakes from the dollar store. I swear by these things. I've talked about these many, many, many times before. And I will empty a whole pack in my tub and sit in there for like 30 minutes with water a little bit cool. Not even slightly warm, but just a little bit cool. And this is so amazing, and I fall asleep in seconds when I use these. So I picked up more of these again from the dollar store. If you live in Canada, go to the dollar store and find the magnesium flakes. They are so good for your skin. Your skin is going to feel nice and soft, and of course it's going to help to absorb into your skin to help, you know, strengthen your bones and all of that. Absolutely love these. So I've definitely stocked up on these from the dollar store. You can give these as Christmas gifts as well. There is nothing more than receiving a gift of wellness for Christmas from a friend, right? And there they are from the dollar store. They will be down in the description box for you. I also picked up a few of these keepsake boxes. I'm going to show you guys what's inside on Sunday. Stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a great video. And these boxes are from Michael's. They were $3 online, but in store they were $4.99, which is not too bad because normally these keepsake boxes are very expensive. So I've got 4 of these, but I think I'm probably going to need maybe 2 more depending on what I'm going to put in it. But I'm going to show you guys the contents of everything on Sunday. And I picked up a black and white one as well. I just want to pull back just a little bit. This one is pretty much empty. There is nothing in it. And of course you do have the little section right here. You can probably maybe see it mostly on the white one. Like right here, you can just write what's inside the boxes, and there we go. And these are great for Christmas gifts as well. If you want to throw in like some bath towels, you know, some bath bombs, you can put in, you know, the I was about to say parsley flakes. If you want to put, no, you don't want to do that. You don't want to put parsley flakes in the boxes. If you want to put in the magnesium flakes in here, like bath salts and whatever it is you want, put a beautiful bow on top, that would be great. Even this one as well, if you just want to wrap this around with a gift bow with some ribbons, put a beautiful bow on top and just put the person's name right here as a gift for gift given for this holiday season, that will be absolutely awesome. It's a good size one. And again, from Michael's, if you live in Michael's, okay, what's happening today? If you live close to a Michael's store, you can go in and you can get these beautiful boxes, okay? And there we go. And again, stay tuned for Sunday's video, guys. I'm gonna share with you so many good things in that video. You're gonna be really surprised. And I think this is everything that I wanted to show you guys today in this video. I kept this video really, really low key and very simple for you guys. And again, this video is in honor of Miss Faye Blatcher, who unfortunately passed away a few days ago. And I just want to say to her family, again, I've written this on the video that her son did put out, that I'm very, very, very sorry for your loss. It's a huge loss to the YouTube community. Your mom had lots of friends on YouTube, and she was well loved and well liked by a lot of people, including myself, and I will obviously miss her very much. And I know it's the holiday season and it's not an easy time to lose a loved one, but I wish you guys all the best. And to Miss Faye Blatcher, I will miss you desperately. And rest in peace and rest in your power.